Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a bootable USB pen drive on a Linux distribution. So it can boot Windows or anything into it. So you head to this website, the Unit Booting website. You click either the 32 or 64-bit binary. Download mine's 64-bit, so I'm downloading that. My computer's a bit slow, so I'll just download it now. Now you need to open up a terminal. And now, if you're having issues, because I've been having issues with like the USB, like trying to get programs to write to a USB, so what you need to do is go cd/media, hit enter, then click and then type in make the dir sudo make the dir, and then you want to call it. I'm going to call it USB 1. And I'll ask for your password, so type in your password. Right. So now you have made a directory for the USB pen drive to mount to. So now let's clear that. So now you want to open up fdisk-l. And then want sudo fdisk-l. And now you want to find the name of your device. So just scroll through this list. It's usually at the bottom if it's a USB pen drive. Look for the size and maybe the format if you. So you're basically interested in this. So it's SDD1. So after you found that, you want to go blkid sudo blkid. So sudo blkid, and then you want to find the SDD1, and you want to know the type and the UUID. So let's open up another terminal. Now you need to type in sudo etc etc fstab, and now this folder is this file. No, you don't type that in. Type sudo nano etc f/etc fstab. If Nano is a text editor, so it should be on your distribution. If not, you can Google how to install Nano on Linux. So after you hit enter, you'll get a bunch of text like this and you'll notice that it's all like UUIDs and stuff. So basically, you need to copy this format. So I've written down extra drives here. And now this is my extra 2 terabyte hard drive, so I'll call it 2 terabyte. So what you want to do is you want to go in to where you typed in the blkid and get the UUID. You want to copy and paste this over. To copy and paste in the terminal using the keyboard, it's Control Shift and then either C for copy or V for paste. And now you have to navigate this using the keyboard and delete the quotation marks. And then you need to type media to where you created your USB. Well, I created my USB one. You might have called it something different. It doesn't matter. So just type in what you called it, and then type in the type, which is VFAT. So VFAT, just like that, and then default 00, and now you click Control O, hit enter, Control X to exit. So after you've done that, you then want to change direction to, so type in CD media /media, so you hit LS, and then you type in chown. You type in the name that is here, colon, the same thing again. So 2 of these, so Bill, Bill for example, and then you type in the name that you've given the file in the media folder. You need to give it sudo. Okay, now you type mount USB 1. You need to be super users, so type in sudo mount. Okay. Now you need to go to your downloads folder, so now type in cd down exit out of that. Go to Dolphin, go up here, open Dolphin or whatever file explorer you got, usually a picture of a file. Navigate to your downloads, which is usually on the right hand side. Right click, open in terminal, and then type in sudo /unet boot and then hit tab and it should complete. If not, you might have to type in more of the file and then hit enter. You need to type in your password, and now this should pop up. Do not close this. You can close everything else now. So now you can either select the distribution that you want to make a bootable USB drive with, otherwise you can just click down here and click disk image, locate the disk image, which is located on my computer in the downloads folder. Yeah, so you click computer and then this is your root directory. You go home, then that'll be your username, and then downloads. So I'm going to click Ubuntu. For mine, this is just a demonstration. You can boot Windows or anything off this. Select the USB drive and then hit OK. And then just click yes to all. And then it'll just let it complete. Then turn your computer off, go into your BIOS and boot from it. You can look for another video on how to do that. I do not have the equipment to record it, but thanks for watching. I would appreciate a comment, like and subscribe what you thought of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.